Kane is in the building.
G'day guys, today I take a look at how to effectively train the lower abdominals. Let's have a look and see how it's done. Okay, so I've got myself set up on a bench, but you can actually do this off the floor. The only reason I'm up on the bench is just it allows the foot to drop down lower and creates more range of motion. But if you're just starting out and you want to see, your capabilities, your true capabilities of your lower abdominal strength, from the floor is fine. The key note to take away with lower abdominal training is that your lower abdominal should be able to stabilize your pelvis with the weight of your legs. And so what that means is when we're doing a movement like this, whether it be hanging or more of a dynamic movement that we get to later in the video, there shouldn't be any movement in the pelvis whatsoever when the leg is lowering out. If the pelvis is moving as the leg lowers out, meaning the curvature of the lower back increases, that's just shear force just going straight into the spine, and overloading and making the exercise harder isn't necessarily training the lower abdominals better. It's just really sort of loading up that lower back unnecessarily. So you'll notice in the first version of the exercise I was just doing single leg and just taking it out to that point where I really feel like my lower abdominals can control my pelvis. And then, each rep that I did, I slowly went out a little bit further. Now I take it into more of a walking pattern. So one, left, right. But my main focus is keeping that stability of the pelvis. Just imagine there's a blood pressure cuff underneath your belly button. You don't want that pressure to change while you're doing the movement. And hopefully over time that you'll be able to lengthen the legs out and create more strength and stability in and around those lower abdominals. So to finish off this video, I've just got a few stills. I'm just trying to get you guys to picture an exercise we all see in the gym quite a bit. This is kind of the start position, whether we're holding on to something quite stable or perhaps even like a trainer or a training buddy's legs. All right, and we've all seen the big swing down with the straight leg, and unless you're world-class type gymnast or you've got an obscene amount of lower abdominal strength, there's a good chance that you're really not doing much for your lower abdominals at all, and you're really just loading up your lower back. So just something to think about with that one. Let us know how it goes. Cheers, guys.